Hey y'all, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. Thanks for coming back to my channel. So today's hair review is all about Recool hair. This is their body wave texture, and then I also have on a 4x4 closure. So I just made this into a regular simple wig with a side part, like a natural side part, because she looking good. And that's it. So I'm going to show you guys how I pretty much fix my wig and custom my wig to my liking so that it can look good like this. Okay. So this is how the hair came. It just came with the bundles and the closure. This is what the closure looks like. And as you can see, the hairline has not been plucked. So I will go in and pluck that some more. And it's a really nice body wave texture, as well as the bundles. These are the bundles that I received. So you see here, they are nice and neat and really soft, like all the hair I received, most of it. So here I did go ahead and construct the wig, and then here I am just curling the wig using my curlers from Aliexpress. So that's all I'm doing here, just curling it, because with body wave hair, I really don't like the natural texture. It's just kind of bushy and just kind of be all over the place. So I like to curl my body wave hair, and usually the curl stays and really hold. So we're gonna see. And really quick, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my makeup like a very natural look, you know, something you can do running out the door instead of taking a lot of time with like concealer and stuff. So go ahead and put this wig on, then I can finish. And I'm showing you guys that I cut my closure piece at an angle for the two side pieces, and then I cut the lace off. And I didn't glue this wig down at all, so this is a glueless unit, and as you can see, it looks good without baby hair, and it could, you know, just stay like that. But I just want to add a little bit, so I'm going to try to make it look more natural. And I think the baby hair, like the edges, kind of giving more of a natural look if you're not using transparent lace. A lot of people that out there lace like just looking the bomb, they be using transparent lace, and the lace that companies send, or like I be doing hair reviews on, they just be regular lace and not like the transparent. So the baby hair actually helps with that. So if you're looking for closures and frontals, make sure you're trying to get like transparent, because it's going to make a complete difference. So until then, baby hair it is, and I will fake it till I make it and make it look good. So I'm just putting this wax stick on my hair, and I got that from RPG show wig, I believe. So I'm just putting it on my hair. Same things like I be using my Aaliyah J one. And here I'm just gonna go back and touch up my makeup just a little bit more, just to warm everything up. Add some eyeliner and some mascara, and that's it. So that's all for this video, you guys. Go ahead and enjoy the rest of the video. Do my makeup a little bit more, and show you guys this bomb hair. So definitely click the link down below so you can go and check out this hair. I had this unit on for about 2 days, and it didn't give me any problems, no shedding or anything like that, and the curls look good. I did have to recurl my hair the next day, so keep that in mind. The curls didn't last all day, but it still looks good like this. So definitely let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you. Bye.